Water damage is one of the most common and costly problems homeowners face, and the roof is the first line of defense. In Macomb, where homes experience rain, snow, ice, and seasonal temperature changes, roof shingles play a critical role in keeping water out and protecting the structure beneath. Understanding how shingles work, and why their condition matters, helps Macomb homeowners make informed decisions about roof maintenance and replacement. Creating a protective barrier against rain and snow. Roof shingles are designed to form overlapping layers across the roof surface. This layered system directs water downward and away from the roof, preventing it from seeping into the structure. In Macomb homes, where rainstorms and snow accumulation are common, properly installed shingles ensure water flows safely toward gutters instead of penetrating the roof deck. Preventing leaks during freeze-thaw cycles. Macomb's climate often brings freeze-thaw cycles, where snow melts during the day and refreezes at night. This process can force water into small gaps on a roof. Quality shingles help minimize these risks by sealing tightly and maintaining their shape despite temperature changes. When shingles are intact and properly installed, they reduce opportunities for water to work its way under the roof surface. Protecting the roof deck and interior structure. Beneath the shingles lies the roof deck, insulation, and interior sealing materials. If water reaches these layers, it can cause rot, mold, and structural damage. Shingles act as a shield that keeps moisture from reaching these vulnerable components. For Macomb homeowners, this protection is essential for preserving the long-term integrity of the home. Channeling water away from vulnerable areas. Shingles are designed to work with other roofing components, such as flashing and underlayment, to guide water away from chimneys, vents, and valleys. In Macomb roofs, these vulnerable areas are common entry points for water. Properly installed shingles help direct water away from these spots and reduce the likelihood of leaks. Resisting wind-driven rain. Strong winds can push rain upward or sideways, challenging even well-built roofs. Shingles that are securely fastened and designed to interlock provide added resistance to wind-driven rain. For Macomb homes, this feature is especially important during storms, when rain doesn't always fall straight down. Reducing the risk of ice dams. Ice dams form when heat escapes through the roof, melting snow that later refreezes near the edges. This can trap water and force it under shingles. High-quality shingles, combined with proper installation, help limit water penetration even when ice dams occur. For Macomb homeowners, this reduces the risk of interior water damage during winter. Maintaining water protection over time. As shingles age, they can crack, curl, or lose granules, reducing their ability to repel water. Regular inspections help identify early signs of wear. For Macomb residents, maintaining shingles in good condition ensures ongoing protection against water damage and prevents minor issues from becoming major repairs. The importance of professional installation. Even the best shingles can fail if installed incorrectly. Improper nailing, alignment, or spacing can create gaps where water can enter. Professional installation ensures shingles are placed correctly, sealed properly, and secured to withstand Macomb's weather conditions. Supporting the entire roofing system. Shingles are part of a complete roofing system that includes underlayment, flashing, and ventilation. When all components work together, water is effectively managed. In Macomb homes, quality shingles play a central role in this system, helping ensure long-term protection. Protecting your Macomb home with the right shingles. Roof shingles do more than enhance curb appeal. They are essential for protecting homes from water damage. By directing water away, sealing vulnerable areas, and standing up to seasonal challenges, shingles safeguard Macomb roofs year-round. For homeowners, investing in quality shingles and professional installation is one of the smartest ways to protect their home and enjoy lasting peace of mind.